Beta Day 2. The seaweed is always greener in somebody else's lake. You dream about going up there, but that is a big mistake. Just look at the world around you, right here on the ocean floor. Such wonderful things surround you. What more is you looking for? Whoa, under the sea, under the sea. Everything's better down where it's wetter, take it from me. Up on the shore they work all day, out in the sun they slave away, while we're devoting full time to floating under the sea. Down here all the fish is happy, as up through the waves they roll. A fish on the land ain't happy, they sad cause they in the bowl. But fish in the bowl is lucky, they in for a worse fate. One day when the boss gets hungry, guess who's gonna be on the plate? Whoa, under the sea, under the sea. No, fry us and nobody beat us, fry us and eat us in fricassee. We what the land folks love to cook, under the sea we off the hook. We've got no troubles, life is the bubbles under the sea. Life is the bubbles under the sea. I'm doing really bad, but this is Edited 2 and vlogging, and we're gonna go to school really soon, and I have to finish this, and blah 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 blah. And Beta Day 1 might not get released, so I'm sorry. Oh, fuck. Oh. In fricassee, we've got into the sea. I got lost. This is your vlog. I'm a failure. Enjoy it. Love you. Goodbye.